Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa ESRS or Electronic Submission Remittance Schedule. Ito ay para sa mga employer na nagbabayad ng kanilang monthly remittance sa Pag-ibig. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa Pag-ibig para mag-submit ng monthly remittance mo, or sa mga wala pang online payment tulad ng e-Gov, pwede kayo dito. Madali lang, charot.
Wow!
First is, kailangan mag-submit ka muna ng ESRS Employer Enrollment Form sa Pag-ibig branch. Then after mong mag-submit, makakatanggap yung employer mo or company email informing na nag-email sila sa authorized user to access ESRS account. Then yung authorized user makakatanggap ng email, "Your account has been successfully registered to Pag-ibig with the following information." Then this is your username. Para sa password, click here. Then enter your password, security questions, then proceed. Then welcome to ESRS. Isa-isahin natin, charot. Profile, dashboard, then manage user, then manage employee. Kita mo lahat ng active na empleyado. Then employer share, employee share, then mga loan nila. Kung gusto mong mag-add ng employee, click add new employee. Enter Pag-ibig MID number, last name, then first name, then search employee. Then kung tama, add employee. Then kung yung employee is mag-separate na or resign, click the name of employee, then select employment status, halimbawa separate or resign, then click save changes. Then separate na siya sa buhay mo, charot. Kung gusto mo makita yung nag-separate na, then click employment status, then click separated. Then makikita mo yung nag-separate na mga empleyado mo or employee. Also, click the name employee kung active na ba siya or whatsoever, kung anong status niya, charot. Next is, kung yung employee ay nagdagdag ng kanyang contribution or employee share, which is pwede naman, click the name of employee, then click update and member savings. Then enter the amount and then save. Then click save changes. Then yung loan, tinaasan niya yung bayad niya or hindi ito yung amount na binayad niya, pwede mong ma-edit yung amount. Click save, din click save change. Payment instruction tayo. Click create, then choose payment type. Only current and future is accepted. Pag late payments ka na, pwede ka sa Pag-ibig branch mag-submit.
Wow.
Tinatanggap yan nila. Charot. Back to payment type. Select, halimbawa, member savings. Then period covered. Then click continue. Then check mo yung amount. Halimbawa, period covered na binabayaran mo is October at gusto mong i-advance pagbayad yung November, click add. Then click add period covered. Then click OK. Na-add na yung gusto mo, na-add na siya. Then, kung gusto mong tanggalin yung November, click less. Confirmation, click yes, then click OK. Then remittance list. Submit payment instruction confirmation, click yes. Payment instruction details, then click download payment instruction. Pwede mong i-print. Then payment instruction number, kung sa SSS ang tawag dyan is PRN, payment reference number. To view the list, member savings. Click view. Then sa loan naman tayo.
Wow!
Halimbawa, calamity loan, same lang din sa member savings. Pwede kang mag-add ng period cover, then mag-less. For multi-purpose loan, select period cover, then continue. And then, pwede kang mag-add ng period covered or mag-less. Gusto mong makita yung payment instruction na ginawa mo, click view payment instruction. Then select month na ginawa mo. Then click go. Then payment instruction, total amount, date created, status niya, then for payment pa. View for the detail. Saka pang copy ng payment instruction, pwede mong i-download at i-print. Then, click view para makita mo yung mga list ng member savings. Then, kung bayad na, makikita mo yung status is posted. Before tayo gumawa ng payment instruction, kailangan yung list ng employee, yung kanilang contribution at loans ay tama. Pwede mong bayaran through Bayad Center or iba pang accredited collecting partners under the Pag-ibig ESRS. Maaari ka ring manood ng iba ko pang videos at paki-subscribe. Charot, thank you.